Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to archive wallets in Green Crypto Wallet application. First of all, find and open Green Crypto Wallet application on a device. Now, enter your PIN to get access to your wallet. After that, select the wallet you want to archive. I have two wallets here. When the wallet is selected, you can see a small arrow which is pointing toward the right side in the box. Click on the arrow. Now you need to click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will get a prompt saying rename and archive. Click on the archive tab. You can see that your account has been archived. After that, click on continue button. So that is how you can archive a wallet in Green Crypto Wallet application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.